In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly calculate age from date of birth in Microsoft Access and Excel. Don't use datediff. Let's start in Excel. First, open your workbook and make sure you have a clean date of birth value entered in a cell. It should be a true date, not text. If Excel left aligns it or you see a warning, change the cell's number format to date so Excel recognizes it correctly. This matters because the formula we'll use relies on actual date values. The most reliable way to calculate someone's age in Excel is with the yearfrac function. Yearfrac returns the fraction of a year between two dates, and with the right setting, it correctly handles leap years. Avoid using simple year subtraction or functions that don't account for birthdays that haven't occurred yet. Click the cell where you want the age to appear. Now enter a formula that converts the yearfrac result into a whole number of years. Type something like equals int yearfrac A2 today 1. Replace A2 with the cell that contains the date of birth. The third argument, 1, tells Excel to use the actual basis, which properly considers leap years. Press enter. Your result will display as a whole number, the person's age as of today. If you need ages for a list, you can copy this formula down the column. If you prefer rounding down to the last birthday, int is exactly what you want. It truncates the decimal portion so you never jump ahead of the actual birthday. Now let's do the same in Microsoft Access. Open Access and go to the Create tab, then choose Query Design. This opens a new query where you can build your calculation. Add the table that contains your date of birth field, often named something like DOB. You should see the field list appear. In the query grid at the bottom, click into an empty column on the field row. Here, we'll define a calculated field that returns age as a whole number while accounting for leap years over time. Enter this expression exactly, age int date on DOB 365.2425. The date on function gives today's date, DOB is your date of birth field, and 365.2425 is the average length of a year, which accounts for leap years across the calendar. Using int keeps the value at the last birthday. Finally, run the query. Access will calculate and display the age column for each record. If the results look good, you can save the query and reuse it anytime. That's it. Accurate ages in both Excel and Access without relying on datediff.